Hi guys, today I'm going to do some experiment. I have this kit, the most complete starter kit from Lego. It has lots of wires and all these stuffs. You can see lots of things. So today what I'm going to do is I am going to measure resistance of the resistor. Look, I have the digital multimeter here and two leads. One is red and one is black. So what I'm going to do is I am going to put the black knob here in the MAV ohm because the ohm is here, so I'm going to put the black here, and the red one red always go with the COM. Red I'm going to put here, and take off the cap, keep it inside, otherwise you will miss that. And I have three resistors here, so I'm going to change the knob to 2K. Let's see. Now it's in the 2K, and check the first one. Slowly touch here with the nib of a pen. So I can't see any change, so I'm going to turn up a little bit more to 20K. Let's see what is going to happen. You have to touch slowly. Yeah, we can see some change. It's like a 10K. So it is 10K. So I'm going to keep it to one side, and next is I'm going to check this one. So you have to change to the 2K again. Let's see what is it, how much it the resistance power. Oh sorry, it's very tiny thing, so you have to be very careful when you're touching. Yeah, we can see, look, so you have to touch slowly. It is also 1K, so keep it here. Take the third one. Let's try again. It's 220 almost. It's 220K. Let's try again the last one. It's 220. So we check these three. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like, please comment me so I can upload more videos for you. Thank you.